They laughed when he said it could be done.
No loans, no IMF, no debt, no permission.
December 16th. Not a speech. Action. Day and night. No delays. No excuses.
By January 25th, 80% was already cleared. This is a 332-kilometer, 8-lane highway, linking the political capital to the economic heart.
No foreign contractors. No outsourcing.
The plans are solid, efficient. We are building awake our future.
The state bought its own machines before day one. This isn't construction. This is control.
They laughed before, now they're watching.
This is not a promise. This is progress.